Hello guys, today I want to introduce you the new model of Casio scientific calculator. This is actually the new model of the series fx-991. The previous one was 991ES. This one is 991EX. Actually, this computer has many new features, but I want to focus on specific three new features that actually make this calculator much better than the previous one, thanks to those three big new features. The first one is the recall button. Okay, usually when we in other computers that add the letters memory slot, we had to remember what value is stored in each slot. Okay, and when we calculated, we had to remember the right number that we put in the slot and to memorize actually, and to put the right letter and make our calculation. Now in this specific calculator we add the recall button. Okay, we press shift and then the start button, and they show us a display of all letter and what values are under those slots. Okay, and then we don't need to remember what value we put, what value is stored under the specific slot, and it's much easier not to make mistakes. And because we need to remember. The second feature is the X button. Okay, the X button is actually immediate button that changed the way we had to recall the X value. Okay, in the previous model we had to press alpha and then X to get the X value. For recall the value, or for make equation with unknowns, other models, and this of course this model had the equation option, and we can calculate an equation with the one unknown. So now we don't need to press alpha and then X to get the X value. We have new one button that we just press it and then we get X in our display for get the value under it, or get or to get equation calculation. Like when I make this equation, as you know from the previous models, then I can get X easily and make my calculation of the equation much easier and faster. And the last special feature that as in this model is the 1000 separator. As you know, other model of Casio had the problem that actually they didn't have the option to separate the zeros in big numbers. Okay, it used to make some problems with the recognize what number we see or what number we type, especially when we work with big or huge number. Okay, so now in this model there is actually an option to make a 1000 separator available, and then when we press a big number, a huge number. In the result, we get separation between thousands. Okay, that's make much easier to recognize what number we press, and do not mistake, for example, between 6 millions or 60 millions when we calculate quick. It's really good for finance students that usually deal with the calculations of huge number like millions or billions. Okay, so it's actually a small new feature that make a lot of difference in this model, and of course you can cancel this option. You can cancel the separation of the thousand if you don't like it. And actually those are the three special features that I decide to show you, because in my opinion they are the biggest changes that added in the new model of Casio scientific calculator, except some other new features that you probably can find it in other videos. So this is all for now, and thank you for watching, and check out my other videos, of course. Bye bye.